Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Disney World. This is probably the first video that you're gonna see from this journey, and I'm doing something different. That is, I'm vlogging with my iPhone again. Well, actually, the last time I visited Disney, I was still using my iPhone to do the vlogs, and that was a 6S. And now, just before I left, I got a 10R, which I'm really digging. I got the product red version, so Apple donated some money from the proceeds or from the profits. I'm trying to figure out which way to go here. And so, yeah, I got a new iPhone and sort of like did something nice at the same time. And so if this looks a little different, if it looks a little, I don't know, dark, shaky, it's because I'm trying to get used to doing it this way again. I'm walking through our resort here, the Pop Century. We've never stayed here before, but my first impression is I really, really like it. Yeah, I'm impressed in ways that I didn't think I would be. And I'll be talking about that in other videos. Anyways, I'm walking to over to the main building right now to see if I can get some breakfast. And yeah, Marcus bought some yogurt, and we realized, of course, we don't have a spoon in the room, so mostly I'm getting Marcus a spoon, and then maybe I'll find myself something for breakfast as well. I just got out of the shower, so my hair isn't did, and I don't know, I'm always kind of self-conscious about that. But I'm walking down a gigantic bowling pin at the moment. I don't know, you can kind of see it behind me. The buildings here are themed like different eras in time, so they have different sort of monuments to things that were popular at those times. This is the main building in front of me. You can see there's the 50 here and the 60. Those are some of the years that are represented here. I guess 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. Is there 90s as well? Oh, I believe there is. My building is behind me. We're staying in the 50s. And to the right here is one of the pools. And this view at night is so cool. I know it's really colorful, and I was worried that it was going to seem sort of like cheap and just, I don't know. I'm used to like the kind of atmosphere that you have at like Coronado Springs or Port Orleans, which is, you know, sort of more charming and seems more like being in, you know, like a themed environment. This is, of course, less charming. It's very bright and colorful, but there still seems to be some kind of special Disney magic to it, and so I'm really digging that. The first thing I want to do is find a spoon, because I would be really disappointed in myself if I walked all the way back and didn't get a spoon. Right, there's knives, forks. Maybe the spoons are back here by where we got the yogurt. I don't see any. I'll have to ask at the register. Don't let me forget, guys. Mission accomplished. I got myself an everything bagel with 2 cream cheeses, and I got a spoon, so that's good. Here's the main pool area again. This is the bar. So we did have a drink last night, and it was pretty strong. It was not weakly mixed. I paid for this cream cheese bagel, basically, $3.72. I'm going to be taking pictures. Oh, just lost a cream cheese. Hold on. I have at least a plan to take pictures of all the food receipts, like all the money that I spend on food, because for the first time, we don't have the dining plan. We decided to try it without the dining plan. And I want to see how much money I end up spending, because Marcus really wanted to do the dining plan, and I told him, no, let's try it without, because I'm convinced that in the end, we'll spend less money. However, I've already noticed that one nice thing about having the dining plan is, I'm gonna go this way, that you just don't think about the money anymore because it's already spent. You know what I mean? That's something that's really nice about being on vacation, is not thinking about the money anymore. And so even now, I mean, we haven't even been here for a full day yet, but just even as we went to dinner last night, I just noticed myself looking at the prices and thinking, oh wait, well, that option is a little bit cheaper. And so with the dining plan, yeah, it's much more easy to just like let go and just enjoy. You know what I'm saying? All right, I wanted to show you guys this. Up here is the lake between Pop Century and Art of Animation. And you can see there that is going to be the station for the new gondola ride. And they've already stretched the cable. So the cable goes all the way across there towards Epcot. And we actually, from our, I was gonna say cabin, from our room, we could see illuminations last night. So that was a huge bonus to staying at the Pop Century, a value resort. All right, back up the bowling pin. Oh, I can hear a marching band practicing. That's a fun way to wake up. So over there is Epcot, over those trees. And I'm sure that's where that marching band is practicing right now. And yeah, that's where the illuminations fireworks went up last night. There's the sunrise over the Pop Century. Fine with me. I'm almost back in the room. And then we gotta kind of hustle. So this is us trying to rope drop Animal Kingdom. It feels so unbelievably real